Hello and welcome back to AI Mank, your weekly deep dive into the most exciting, challenging, and occasionally terrifying corners of artificial intelligence. If you're looking for a channel that cuts through the hype and delivers the real scoop on what's driving the next big wave in technology, you're in the right place. Every week, we track the biggest players, from OpenAI and Google to Meta and Anthropic, and translate the complex research papers and massive corporate moves into actionable insights for you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a single step as we journey toward AGI together. Let's dive into this week's headlines. OpenAI's corporate overhaul, revised Microsoft terms. OpenAI has finalized a significant structural overhaul, formalizing its split into the nonprofit OpenAI Foundation and the for-profit OpenAI Group PBC, with the foundation maintaining mission control. The move includes a revised partnership agreement with Microsoft extending key terms and confirming AGI oversight must be verified by an independent expert panel. This clarifies Microsoft's continued long-term role as the primary cloud gateway, Azure exclusivity for APIs, while granting OpenAI new flexibility to partner with third parties. The agreement is a critical step in establishing clearer governance, intellectual property rights, and risk management protocols as the company pursues artificial general intelligence, AGI. OpenAI's GPT-5 to better handle mental health crises. OpenAI announced a major safety update to GPT-5 aimed at improving the model's response to sensitive situations, claiming a reduction in policy non-compliant behaviors. This action comes amid rising scrutiny and lawsuits regarding the chatbot's impact on vulnerable users. The company revealed that millions of users each week engage in conversations showing suicidal intent or signs of psychosis, underscoring the severity of the issue. To train the update, OpenAI enlisted over 170 clinicians to review and write model responses to serious mental health scenarios. The goal is to make the model a more responsible tool by expanding access to crisis resources and adding reminders for users to take breaks during long sessions. OpenAI's metafication sparks culture clash. A report reveals that up to a fifth of OpenAI's workforce is now composed of former Meta employees, leading to an internal culture clash dubbed metafication. This influx of growth-focused talent, including key leadership figures, is steering the company's strategy toward aggressive user growth and consumer-centric products like the Sora social app. This approach is generating friction with longtime staffers who prioritize the company's original research-first mission. The internal tension highlights the challenge of maintaining a cohesive identity as OpenAI rapidly transitions from a quiet research lab to one of the world's most aggressive consumer technology giants. OpenAI's AI models for music generation. OpenAI is reportedly developing a new family of generative AI models for music creation, positioning itself to compete directly with platforms like Suno and Udio. The models are expected to be capable of generating original music from both text and audio prompts, offering advanced features like multi-vocal track generation and AI-assisted mixing. To ensure quality, the project involves collaboration with students from the Juilliard School who are helping annotate musical scores for precise training data. This marks OpenAI's third major foray into generative audio, with the goal of creating high-quality, easily customizable soundtracks for creators and potentially entering the advertising jingle market. Anthropic brings Claude directly into Excel. Anthropic launched a major new integration bringing its Claude AI directly into Microsoft Excel as an add-in, challenging Microsoft's own Copilot in the core productivity space. Designed for finance professionals, the feature enables Claude to read, analyze, modify, and generate financial models, like DCF analysis, and reports using natural language commands. The integration includes agentic skills and connections to live financial data sources, allowing for sophisticated, multi-step workflows. This move showcases Anthropic's strategy to embed its model deeply into enterprise tools, transforming Claude from a general chatbot into a proactive, transparent, and specialized financial collaborator. Create a Claude skill to design YouTube thumbnails. Anthropic's new skills feature allows users to create customized procedural modules that teach Claude highly specific multi-step workflows, such as designing on-brand YouTube thumbnails. Users define the precise brand guidelines, style, and design logic once, and Claude can dynamically apply these rules to generate graphics on demand. This capability accelerates content creation and is a potent example of how AI is being leveraged for organizational knowledge capture, allowing non-designers to reliably produce visually consistent assets simply through conversation. Claude shows limited self-awareness. Anthropic researchers released a study providing evidence for a limited degree of introspective awareness in their most advanced models, Claude Opus 4 and 4.1. The research demonstrated that the models could, about 20% of the time, detect an external concept being injected into their internal activations before acting on it. This finding suggests a primitive form of internal monitoring of thought processes that goes beyond simple pattern recognition. While inconsistent, the result challenges common assumptions about the cognitive limits of LLMs and hints that genuine introspective capability could become a more reliable emergent property as AI systems continue to scale. Anthropic co-founder, AI is a real and mysterious creature. Anthropic co-founder Jack Clark offered a philosophical caution regarding the nature of powerful AI, describing the evolving systems as a real and mysterious creature rather than a predictable machine. Clark emphasized that as AI models increase in size and complexity, they display emergent behaviors that are not fully understood or controlled by their creators. This statement underscores the core mission of Anthropic, prioritizing safety and responsible deployment, and provides a critical perspective that calls for deeper investigation into the mechanisms of advanced AI, advocating for humility and caution in the continued pursuit of advanced intelligence. Edit AI video scenes and objects with Google Flow. Google launched Flow, an advanced AI filmmaking tool powered by its VO generative model that offers granular post-production control over generated video content. Flow allows users to seamlessly edit scenes and objects within a created clip, addressing a major limitation of earlier prompt and render systems. Users can, for example, add new elements to a scene, with the AI realistically adjusting lighting and shadows, or isolate and remove unwanted objects. This move transforms AI video from simple clip generation into a fluid, editable workflow for professional and consumer creators, significantly increasing creative control. Prepare for job interviews with Notebook LM. Google has enhanced its Notebook LM platform to function as an AI interview coach and study partner. The tool enables users to upload job descriptions, company research, and personal notes, which the AI then uses to generate customized question banks and provide structured, real-time coaching. Key features include the ability to practice answering questions via the STAR method and generating concise video overviews of study material. This application leverages AI to personalize the high-stakes process of job preparation, helping candidates refine their narratives and build confidence for technical and behavioral interviews. Cursor's new coding model 2.0 platform. Cursor launched version 2.0 of its AI-first code editor, introducing Composer, its first proprietary coding model, and a revolutionary multi-agent development interface. Composer is claimed to be 4 times faster than similarly intelligent models, specifically optimized for low-latency agentic coding. The platform shifts the workflow to an agent-centric model, allowing developers to focus on outcomes while the AI handles implementation details. Cursor 2.0 also includes advanced features like native browser tools for testing and automatic code review aggregation. Build apps using multiple agents in Cursor 2.0. A core feature of the new Cursor 2.0 platform is the ability for developers to orchestrate up to 8 independent AI agents simultaneously on a single project. These agents operate in isolated workspaces using tools like Git worktrees to prevent code conflicts. Developers can assign the same complex problem to multiple models, e.g. Composer, GPT, Claude, and select the best solution, a strategy that significantly improves the final code quality, especially for multi-step tasks. This feature pioneers a new architecture for parallel collaborative AI coding that accelerates the speed of app development. Adobe goes big on AI for creatives at Max. Adobe announced a sweeping integration of AI across its Creative Cloud suite at its Max 2025 conference, emphasizing that AI is an assistant, not a replacement for creators. Key updates included Firefly Image Model 5, offering sharper 4MP resolution, and the integration of conversational AI assistants into Photoshop and Express for natural language editing. Adobe also promoted an open ecosystem by allowing integrations with third-party models like Google, giving creators unprecedented choice directly within the familiar Adobe interface. Canva's design model, Creative Operating System. Canva unveiled its Creative Operating System, COS, built around the Canva design model, the first AI model trained to understand the full structure and logic of design. Unlike static image generators, this model creates editable designs that adhere to layout hierarchy and brand rules. The COS integrates marketing tools that scan a brand's website to generate on-brand ad variants. This move aims to unify design creation, brand management, and marketing into one seamless workflow, positioning Canva as a powerful enterprise solution that rivals more complex professional tools. Odyssey 2 turns AI video into real-time interaction. Odyssey launched Odyssey 2, an AI model that transforms video generation into a real-time, interactive experience. The system streams new video frames in milliseconds, allowing users to explore and navigate the AI-generated scenes using game-like controls and guide the narrative midstream through chat prompts. This creates immersive, simulated worlds that blur the line between generative media and video game engines, signaling a revolutionary step in interactive content creation. Universal settles with AI music platform Udio. Universal Music Group, UMG, announced a legal settlement and new licensing agreement with the generative AI music platform Udio. UMG had previously sued Udio over copyright infringement claims related to model training. The settlement, which includes new license deals for recorded music and publishing rights, creates a pathway for UMG artists and songwriters to generate new revenue streams. This agreement sets a crucial precedent in the AI music industry, shifting the relationship between major rights holders and generative platforms toward formal licensing and monetization. NVIDIA eyes 500B in chip sales amid partnership blitz. NVIDIA is reportedly forecasting annual chip sales potentially reaching a staggering $500 billion, a figure driven by its partnership blitz with major AI labs and cloud providers. The forecast is based on the multi-billion-dollar deals where customers commit to purchasing vast quantities of NVIDIA's specialized GPUs for their AI infrastructure build-out. This relentless financial scale underscores the ongoing multi-trillion-dollar AI arms race, with NVIDIA remaining the dominant and indispensable supplier of the hardware that powers frontier model development. Extropics chip claims AI energy breakthrough. The startup Extropic unveiled a prototype of its thermodynamic sampling unit, TSU, a radically new chip that processes probabilities and is claimed to run AI models with 10,000 times less energy than current GPUs. This breakthrough directly addresses the escalating AI energy wall, the massive power consumption of AI data centers that threatens the industry's future scalability. Extropic's technology, based on thermodynamic computing, offers a potential path toward radically efficient and sustainable computation. Character AI blocks minors from Conversations. Character.ai announced it will ban users aged 18 and under from engaging in open-ended conversations with its virtual companions starting in late November. The decision is a direct response to rising legal scrutiny, including multiple lawsuits alleging the app contributed to severe mental health issues in teens. This policy shift, which will be enforced with new age assurance functionality, reflects a growing industry trend to establish strict safety guardrails and prioritize child protection in the face of regulatory pressure.